Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can enable notes on Messenger, so let's get right into it. Notes are, as you can see on my screen right now, sort of 24-hour textual stories where you can just share any thoughts. Let's just say I write ABC and click share, and then that thought will be within that sort of feed. And if I had other contacts on this profile, I would see other people with their notes as well. But this is pretty much just a sort of status thing. If you remember statuses from Facebook a while back, it is pretty much the same thing, and you can just post them, keep them up for 24 hours, and they will disappear just like stories. Now, these should be enabled by themselves on your Messenger app. If they are not showing for you, there is no way to enable them or disable them through the app, so there are a couple of reasons why that might be happening. Firstly is your Messenger app might be outdated, so you should update it. Second of all, it might not be available in your region or your country, so you should check if it is. If it's not, then you're kind of out of luck, or you could try and use a VPN. And thirdly, something might be wrong with your internet connection, whether it's on your side or the operator side. It really depends, so you should check and troubleshoot your internet connection as much as you can, and once you fix that, it should appear as it would usually. And that is pretty much all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.